Astonishing, isn't it? Nearly 60% of energy consumption in Canadian homes is due to heating and cooling. That's right, more than half of your utility bill is spent just on maintaining a comfortable temperature. But what if there was a way to drastically cut down on this energy usage? Enter the world of energy-efficient homes. Homes equipped with high-performance insulation, energy-efficient windows, high-efficiency HVAC systems, smart home technology, and renewable energy sources like solar panels. These aren't just trendy buzzwords, they're game changers in the realm of sustainability and energy conservation. Consider high-performance insulation. By simply upgrading your home's insulation, you can reduce energy usage by up to 20%. That's a significant chunk off your utility bill every month. And it's not just about saving money, it's also about reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a healthier planet. Now let's talk about energy-efficient windows. These marvels of modern technology can reduce energy loss by up to 50% compared to traditional windows. That means less energy is required to heat or cool your home, translating to even more savings. And we can't forget about high-efficiency HVAC systems. These systems are designed to consume less energy while still providing the same level of comfort. Combined with smart home technology that allows you to control your home's temperature from anywhere, you're looking at a significant reduction in energy consumption. Lastly, consider the power of renewable energy sources like solar panels. Not only do they provide a clean, renewable source of energy, but they can also significantly reduce or even eliminate your electricity bill. So, the next time you're in the market for a new home in Ontario, remember to consider these energy-efficient features. Not only will they save you money in the long run, but they'll also contribute to a healthier, more sustainable planet. Reach out to resources like the Ontario Energy Board, Natural Resources Canada, the Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation, and the Green Ontario Fund for more information. Don't just buy a home, invest in a sustainable future.